How's it going? I heard you're gearing up for your big move next week.
Sarah, yeah, I'm starting to feel the pressure. I've got so much stuff to pack, and I'm not sure how I'm going to get it all done in time.
I totally get it. I was in the same boat just a few weeks ago. But you know what? I found this amazing moving service called Dizcount Movers, and they made my life so much easier.
Really? What's so great about them?
Well, first off, they offer 2 packers for just $99 an hour, and there's no minimum time requirement. I was shocked at how affordable it was.
That sounds pretty good. But what about packing supplies? I've been stressing about that.
That's the best part. They provide free inserts and boxes. I didn't have to spend a dime on packing materials, which was a huge relief. They took care of all my fragile items, and everything arrived in perfect condition.
Nice. I've heard horror stories about renting trucks. Did you have to deal with that?
Nope. They included a free truck up to 12 feet. It was perfect for all my furniture, and I didn't have to worry about any hidden fees. It made the whole process so much smoother.
Wow, that sounds like a lifesaver. I also need to send some boxes to my buddy in another state. Did they help with that too?
Yes, they have delivery specials nationwide starting at just $99. I sent a few boxes to my sister, and it was super easy. They really cover all the bases. Just call 844-992-199. The people there are really friendly and helpful. I booked my moving day in no time. Trust me, you won't regret it. You got this.
Thanks, Sarah. I'm definitely going to give them a call. I could use all the help I can get. Absolutely.